We have never faced this before, and it is quite a precarious situation. Many of us might be experiencing a mental block. Also, being confined at home for indefinite periods can be very taxing mentally. It gives us this claustrophobic feeling. However, let us look at few things that can help us get through this situation. Is to shift your mindset. Whenever you have this feeling of what next or the suffocation feeling, catch it then and there, observe it, and then shift your mindset. Because the more number of times you observe this and catch it, you will get through this. You will move on to a better pattern of thinking. The next possible practice that you can attempt is to wake up an hour early than your usual time. This is the best time to practice waking up early. It puts you in a different mindset to face that day. Plan your activities for that day. Take it one day at a time. Number 3 is schedule. Plan a schedule or make a schedule or a timetable for yourself. Set a target date, say June 30. Set a target date so that you are mentally prepared to plan your activities until this date. Make a schedule, set small alarms on your phone during the day for each and every activity so that it reminds you that you are on a schedule and you will be following a timetable and you will be in a much better state of mind. This is just a suggestion. This is a time when most of the universities around the world are also offering free courses. So, for example, Harvard University is offering some free courses. So you can divide your day and probably take up 2 courses, divide them for 1.5 hours each or 1 hour each, morning and evening, and in between you can plan your other activities. Set these small alarms on your phone and that will remind you that you are on a schedule. Building faith. The world is going through an ecological shift and hence focus on those areas of your life that you are looking forward to. For instance, imagine yourself on a different role. 1 year from now things will change and things will get better. Also, take some time to practice breathing exercises, practicing meditation, because this is the best time for all of us to attempt at these activities. Reading books, reading classics. We all will be at that stage where we are completely out of this and we are moving around freely with caution and with more respect to the nature. And thank you for your time. Take care.